Well, my food lovers, I'm in the mood to make some Chowmein. One packet of Chowmein. It will be made with chicken and 2 vegetables. First, I will actually have to blend onion, garlic, oregano, parsley, thyme, pepper, basil or basil. I have already seasoned the chicken, diced chicken. I have some scallions there chopped. I have string bean, bora, finely chopped. I have celery chopped and some carrots chopped. And of course, there's a packet of Chowmein and the herbs that you would like. Feel free. I'll be using some of these: Creole seasoning, garlic salt, seasoning salt, paprika, black pepper, salt. And let's get started. Add blended onion, garlic, oregano, basil, or basil, some might say, pepper, parsley. Let this saute for about a minute, and then add your chicken. Well, I've added seasoning to my taste, which you saw earlier. Anything that you would like to add additional, feel free. I've added the chopped celery and the chicken. So this will cook for about 20 minutes until it's tender. You'll be checking. And the water is about to boil to add the Chowmein. So here goes. This looks awesome. So this has another 15 minutes to boil, or when I check that it's tender, be ready. In the meantime, this has 2 minutes to go. Yippee! Boil for 8 minutes. Drain and add some olive oil to keep it loose. In the meantime, the chicken is cooking. Can't wait. I have 2 tablespoons of butter in a foil pan. I will add the hot drained Chowmein, and it will melt the butter, and then the hot chicken will be added. And you may put cashew or soy sauce. Okay, this has been boiling for about 15 minutes. I added the chopped beans, which is bora, and carrots. Usually you can saute that separately, but I remember at school days when we were pressed for time, I usually added it here to get the flavor and to cook quicker. Well, I've added the cooked chicken and vegetable, and this will be mixed well together and serve hot with lettuce, tomato, pepper sauce. Wow, look at this awesome dish. I like the color of this, like natural, but feel free to add cashew or soy sauce. Wow, look at this. Lovely. I'm having it with some lettuce and dressing and some pepper sauce there. Okay, it's time to dig in. But look, what my favorite thing to eat this Chowmein with is some ketchup. So I will have to pour some ketchup. Well, I'm hungry and I'm ready to dig in. Let's taste this. Oy, oy, oy. Awesome. Wow, lovely. Can't wait. So bye guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and Make your own and let me know how it came out.